Okay, so before this video starts, the drop is live. Shift knobs, flags already sold out. Keychains are sold out. We got shift knobs, license plate frames, driving gloves. So if you ordered something, thanks for the support. If you're still thinking about it, link to shops in the description. What do you think, man?
Should I buy something, Ben?
Definitely. They should get one red glove, one blue glove, one black glove, and then combine them all and make purple.
Alright, so we just got back from Vancouver. Adam bought a car. He's outside looking at it. Me and Ben are in here. It's not going right for Adam. Me and Ben are in here, getting the engine ready to pull and drain the fluids.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
It's fucking 5 o'clock at night. It's dinner time, man. It's not engine pulling time.
It's gonna be at least 6 hours before we're
Well, if it
ready.
gets to the 2 hour mark and shit's not happening, me and Adam will come here on Monday and figure shit out.
Alright. I don't work Monday either, so.
Oh, you don't?
Nope.
Alright, yeah, we'll link that. Yeah, then what the fuck are we doing? It's a 2-part video.
Yeah, sure.
Unless, if something goes wrong, 2-part video. If everything goes right, then 1-part video.
Let's just let's like hook it up and pull it out, and hopefully the motor mounts are all gone anyway. So
Yeah.
we'll just pull right out.
Yeah, no doubt. Should we reveal Adam's car?
Yeah.
It's worse than mine. Only difference is his runs. Ready for the reveal? Wow!
This is what I don't understand. You had a 180SX that was cool, right-hand drive with the nice taillights, white, and then you got this for some reason.
Yeah, it's not really adding up, man.
Ben, why are you going from the Corolla to a fucking 4-door graphic car?
But, so Adam did buy this. We'll do a video on it in a little bit, but it came with an SR swap, which is going to be for sale. So if anyone wants it, hit up Adam on Instagram or Morse Boys.
Came with those.
Yeah, it came with some tweak shit.
Ben wants those. No, like
should put
this
those
on
in
the
the truck.
truck. Coming out like this.
Yeah, on the truck that'd be sweet.
No, like coming out like
That'd actually be awesome. Have like a stack that comes up.
yeah. Just dump out the side like that.
I just gotta keep pressing, keep getting better. I'm not where I want to be.
Did you fart?
No.
That should not work.
It might be trying
That's what you know.
Maybe it was me. I didn't get the shit on the ferry today, so.
I did. Oh, I fucking destroyed the.
Did you get shit on the seat?
No, but when you're like, this bathroom fucking reeks. I was like, yeah, I mean, what the fuck? Okay, you're gonna pull this out yet or
You
what?
like walk on the ferry, they're like, you're not allowed on here.
They just know.
You
My
shit on
face
the
is like,
toilet
picture
seat.
of my face is hung like in the bathroom.
Okay, do you mind fucking taking this out yet?
You know what? These are longer bolts than I expected, okay?
Or you're peeing probably.
There you go.
Oh
man.
yeah.
It does smell like fart.
I just gotta keep pressing, keep getting better. I'm not where I want
Okay, when you definitely
Well, unless
shit
I
yourself.
shit myself, it's probably the oil. Because I farted like 10 minutes ago.
Is it like? Can you take the fucking drive shaft out already?
Kick to the tree.
Fuck is that
Is this
thing?
normal for 240s? Like I've never seen that
She
before.
looks like a fucking transformer, man.
It looks like a flux capacitor.
These are like bushings.
It's like a spacer.
That's kind of dank.
Yeah, I know. Is that kind of dang?
Yeah, dude.
That's for maximum drive shaft play.
Oh, I tried to burn my throat. Sorry.
What if this was boats? Ben, did you puke?
What do you eat for dinner, Ben?
Dinner.
Well, it just came back up.
Didn't have dinner yet.
That was his second dinner.
I got a Costco membership, so now we can get $1.25 hot dogs.
to keep getting better.
That's diarrhea.
You know what we should talk about, Adam? We should talk about how much you paid for your fucking insurance today.
How about you shut the fuck up?
No, let's talk about it, because a lot of people that don't live in BC will be like, what the fuck?
Okay, you can talk about it. I'm too depressed.
Okay, so Adam bought a car today. He bought the hatch. We already showed it on the video. And guess how much? For 3 months, but he paid what? $770?
Yeah.
That's some
For the
fuck
lowest,
shit.
the lowest
For
possible.
the shittiest insurance you
No
can get.
coverage on the actual car.
Really?
Yeah. Do you cover your cars?
Yeah.
Pull it out! Right then. Okay.
pull out. Pull out game strong. Ben likes jammies. Oh, that could be taken the wrong way. Oh, you just busted a nut?
I did.
Why?
That shit's not right.
The competition clutch.
Wait, let me adjust.
No, dude, you're getting scully. Like
Help me. Wait, hang on. I have to move my hand. Oh, you got the tail strap? Yeah. This doesn't matter.
Wait, no. What clutch is this? White bunny?
I said it was a white bunny.
Yeah.
We dropped the transmission and disconnected all the mounts. So now we're gonna blast
Buddy,
all this shit off.
that shit's not swag.
Yeah.
Take your head off first.
All right, so we're back. It's a couple days later now. The engine's ready to be pulled out. Right now we're pulling the hood off, and then we're gonna start just unbolting shit, and then it'll be ready to come out.
You wanna open the door?
Or you
Or
want
just lean it against the shop.
Yeah. Wow, it looks naked now.
Okay, so much shit has to be unbolted.
No, what was this jank ass wiring?
It's for those like fog lights. What are you taking off, Ben?
That shit's
The map plug.
Okay.
We can take this out. Whoa, look at the end.
It's loose
That's
goose,
just
man.
Loose, man. Loose gooch. Did you take off the lower rad hose?
No.
We're gonna just try to unbolt everything from up here and then check in a second.
Yes.
It's ready to come out, man.
We had a little mishap with the Freon.
It's alright.
We're all still alive, so I think we're fine.
For now.
Anyways, set up a time lapse and we'll Yankee Doodle this out. Alright, so we got it out. We're just gonna get it ready to go on the stand now so we can start pulling this bitch apart because we're gonna rebuild it. 'Cause I don't trust no one with their pulled KA that looks like it's been chilling in a swamp that apparently ran great before pulled. Fuck that.
What the fuck, buddy? That
So
shit's not swag.
mainly, I don't know if it'll be in this video, but I want to pull it apart so we can see what's fucked and what's not. Because it would be nice if we could just, I don't know, man. We'll find out. Should be able to rebuild it for like the same price you could buy someone's mystery fucking engine up. So, be decent.
That's a big hole you got, Alright, we also got mail.
We got some fan mail, man.
I don't know if they're fans, but
One of a kind.
from Hoopty Gang.
First time.
Let's open it up.
Who's it from? Hoopty Gang?
Okay, don't put their fucking address in there. Hoopty Gang! They must have hoopties, eh? I assume. Alright, we're gonna open it for you. Much love from Hoopty Gang. We fuck with what you're doing.
Fuck, buddy.
At Hoopty
That shit's
_
not
gang.
swag.
Canada, fuck to water.
Canada fucked the world, man.
Fuck the world, man.
Fuck 'em!
We got 3 vinyls, bro.
Oh, decent.
You should put one on the hoist.
One for Ben.
Should we put one on the hoist? Alright, Hoopty Gang, you're on here forever.
Well, that's decent, eh?
Fucking decent, Hoopty Gang. Look at that. You're on the friggin' hoist here.
No, thanks, boys.
Yeah, thanks, boys. If anyone else wants to send us something,
Not where I want to be.
maybe money. Just kidding. Yeah, send it to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Alright, so let's get this thing on a stand so you can start
What the fuck,
taking it
buddy?
apart.
That shit is not swag.
Okay. Okay, so we got it out. It's on the stand. Next video, aka 5 minutes, we're gonna start tearing it down.
You don't have to know.
That's true. So hopefully you guys are excited for this thing to run again. And be sure to check out all the new merch. Link to shop is in the description.
No doubt. Should we do a little?
Yeah.
Ben,
I just gotta keep pressing, keep.
do you want a white or a black knob?
Black knob.
Alright.
Also, if you guys want to support the channel and the stuff we do, gotta pick up some merch, man.
That's facts.
Only source of income, man.
That
Yes.
shit is
I
not
need it.
swag.
If you want Ben to be well fed,
Yeah, Ben doesn't eat unless we sell merch.
okay, fucking close out this video, or are we gonna put Ben's knob on?
You guys are actually giving me an up?
Yeah.
Oh.
What color do you want it in?
I don't know. Because you get a
I have
White or
black.
black?
black.
Okay.
Are we putting that on the skyline?
Unbox it, Ben.
Yes.
Oh, sweet.
See, you
Coming
could
in
be
up.
just as excited as Ben is if you hit that fucking link in the description. You pick up a goddamn knob. Yeah. Look, it's like Christmas, but better.
Alright. So, first up with the unboxing video is the packaging. As you can see, the product is inside, nicely displayed. Moist boys. Don't know what that says. They don't either. That's okay.
He's not wrong. Correct.
Open it. Here's the product. We'll get to that later. Here's the box. Unfiltered driving pleasure for good times since 2017.
What do you think of that box?
It's nice.
Material? Good?
It's good. I can use
No?
this for Christmas presents.
No doubt.
Okay, let's get in.
I just gotta keep pressing, keep getting better. I'm not well.
I'm never taking this off now.
Yeah. 1,000 horsepower.
Wow.
1,000 horsepower. This thing's fucking sexy.
God damn, this shit sounds nice, man.
Alright guys, there you saw it. The engine is out of this trout. It has a bad case of gout.
Yeah, we got it all out today.
It's drinking stout. Yeah, so next video,
Swag.
probably tear this bitch down. What do you say, Noah?
Yeah, we gotta figure out what I gotta order from Rock Auto. So we gotta pull this bitch apart and see what the damages are like. You know?
Yeah, no doubt.
What do you figure, man?
Ben, you need to fucking shave.
What? I just did. I just shaved my cheeks.
Why'd you do that?
Well, I didn't want it all the way up. Oh, that's okay.
You need to fucking.
That's like
shave.
fucking Ricky beard, man.
You have a full damn
Yeah.
beard, man. You
No,
guys look
no.
the fucking same. What are you talking about?
I shaved like 2 days ago.
You
Anyway.
did not shave cheeks. Okay.
Fucking fight about it.
Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Comment.
Oh, comment. Favorite mythical creature? Is it an alien?
What the fuck, buddy?
Bigfoot?
That shit
Loch
is
Ness
not
monster?
swag.
The Ogopogo?
Liger.
What's that one?
It's a lion and a tiger. Actually, I think they're real. I think people are fucking.
They're all real, man.
Sabretooth.
Anyways,
That's a real thing. There's just fucking.
catch you in the
dead.
next one.
Wait, buy your shit.